What's up, loves? It's Victoria here, and today I just want to talk to you about what I believe is going to be an important part of your glow up season. Right now, if 2020 has taught us anything at all, it's that we have to be prepared to move with these major changes that happen in our life at any time, pivotal moments you can call them, right, and use them to our advantage. Now, time waits for no one, and if you're not where you currently want to be, then what I'm going to say could be one of the reasons, some of the things that are just holding you back. Because I know that for me, it was a real big issue. I used to have some serious bad habits when it came to credit, guys, and knowing how to manage my finances, because it wasn't something that I was ever taught at school or at home how to do. And I didn't realize the importance of managing my credit or the negative impact that this could have on life going forward. So from a young age, I used it, I abused it, and I'm not gonna lie, I took it for granted. Now this meant that I had to learn these lessons the long way, the hard way, on how to repair, maintain, and then grow my credit. Now I'm gonna let you into a little fact. Most of the celebrities, influencers, even superstars that you follow with the nice cars, the clothes, the jewels, all of this stuff, are taking photos in these tropical expensive locations. And the reason that they can do this and they're able to live that lifestyle is because they're utilizing what is known as revolving credit, guys. Trust me, having good credit affords you not only the material luxuries, but you're going to be able to invest like the rich and become wealthy using other people's money, right? And that's the point. And in half of the time that it might take you, if for instance you were spending time studying to be a surgeon or training to be a footballer. Now, in no way am I suggesting that you don't study and work towards whatever your dreams are, of course, all right? All I'm saying is that if you want the wealth and the opulence, yes, if this is what you're after, then you need to be following the same formulas of the ones that are living this life and the ones that have done it before you, okay? Most of us were taught growing up, if we were taught anything, is that having debt is bad. Never a lender, never a borrower be, right? That's the one that I remember. But it's a load of crap. That is the mentality of the poor, not the wealthy. Just look at the supposedly richest countries in the world, okay? Only a few of them even have natural resources or commodities like gold and oil or diamonds. What they have is a lending and borrowing power. They are good with the World Bank, so their economies are thriving, all right? The more they can borrow, the more they can invest in things such as land, innovation, business, technologies, and all of these things make it possible for them to attain more wealth. Now, as well as this, these countries can then afford to help other countries. It gives them something which is priceless. It earns them good karma, right? The more good they do, the more good that flows, and this is a cycle, and it's one that we all need to be on. It's not about saving for a rainy day or dipping in and out of that stack that you might have been putting under the bed, when you want a holiday or a new pair of shoes, because once you spend those savings or that stack, it's gone, never to be seen again, into the ether. Whereas when you're using revolving credit, you get to spend that money again and again and again, and even more so, because the better you become at managing the credit, the easier it is for the banks to just want to give you more. They are in the business of lending, all right? They want to give you money, but they also want to know and see that you are responsible enough to pay it back, and on time. It is that simple. It's a game. Like I said earlier, even your favorite celebrities, even they know the deal. Billionaires
such as Kylie Jenner openly
admits to using her credit card, all right? Not cash, not debit card. She doesn't even carry those things around, all right? She said it live on Ellen's show, okay? She is using her credit card only. The richest people in the world have figured it out. It's not brain science. You don't need a degree or a formal education, okay? But depending on where you might be currently with your credit, what you might need is a bit of patience. So I've created the Get Your Credit formula to show you how to get your credit up and fast. When you see people with these flashy cars or homes or businesses, they're no smarter than you or me. They've just figured it out. They've just figured out the game, and now they've got some really good credit. All right, all is not lost, guys. If you were feeling disheartened or believing that you couldn't find your purpose, or you didn't have any skills or talents, maybe you've just kind of resided in the fact that you're not going to be able to afford the lifestyle that you've always wanted. Okay, it doesn't matter. Yeah, your age, your race, your gender, your level of education, even your credit, if it's totally maxed out or you're bankrupt. Okay, even if you've never had credit before, you can start the process at any stage and still win the game. Credit does not discriminate. All right, so listen here, for those of you with adverse credit, if you're interested in finding out the exact formula that I use to heal and grow my credit, and you want the templated letters that I sent to my creditors, okay, to come to better agreements, to lower some of my balances tremendously, or even write off the debt completely, then I've put together the Get Your Credit ebook, the templated letters for your debtors, and even a credit tracker so that you can track your progress at every step. Yeah, now ebook is going to tell you some secrets. It's going to tell you some legislation that your creditors do not want you to know, which is going to help you to clear your debts and get them written off in no time. And for those of you who have never had credit before, this ebook will teach you the rules to building your credit the right way so that you can start enjoying the life that you have always dreamed of, and most of all, the life that you deserve. All right, so everything's going to be linked below. Go and check out the Get Your Credit package. Drop me a comment as well if you've managed to overcome adverse credit yourself. If so, share some of your tips and trips. Maybe they could help someone else who's watching, okay? Let me just say as well, guys, this video is intended for UK residents. So if you are outside of that region, I can't guarantee the same results. The same legislation applies, all right? So like, subscribe, share this video with your friends, your family, whoever needs to hear it, and come together and be part of breaking these financial chains. If you haven't already, don't forget to follow my Instagram, and until next time, take care.